apologized to the Igbos for our atrocities. All we wanted was our freedom, our liberty, our right to live. They all decided we were sadomasochistic slaves to treat badly and keep in bondage without a huge apology. Can an Igbo really be friends with Yoruba, Hausas, and certainly some of the North Central? We are old people. Ndigbo, some of us living today were murdered in the Biafra War, and that memory is encoded somewhere inside us, in our spirit. Imagine you are a reincarnated Ekwensu, a young Ikenga who was among the 30,000 defenseless Igbos murdered by their neighbors and friends across Nigeria because of pure unimaginable envy for your industriousness. Note that this massacre was before the war, a massacre actively supported by the federal government of a small man from Plateau, who would then go on to oversee even more unspeakable war crimes and atrocities on an industrious people, just so he could protect Britain's right to steal African resources, while I'm sure assuaging his own envy and scratching his small man itch. Well, that young man has reincarnated and he's grown today. Where is his huge apology? He even moved to Lagos again to help build the economy of the land where he was murdered 60 years ago. And he built his mansion there. He has mostly forgotten, but more You think the pain is long gone? No, it's not. My family still have a guy we've not done his funeral, and he's already back here, a grown man and back in Lagos, causing chaos. Ndi Igbo, read Chinua Achebe's There Was a Country to your children. Since they won't teach it in school, teach your kids their bloody history. Shout out to custodian of the Igbo culture, Nze Golden Namba Germany. Thanks for the love, man. Oya Balogi. I help diaspora Igbos plant yams and rebuild their ancestors' bands. Because when you honor your Indichi in the currency they recognize, you can negotiate favors from them. See my pin post for more information. Thanks for loving Holy Ezumezu. Here you go for tutorial. Ciao.